Hello, class. My name is Tim Melvin, and I'm going to be your instructor for Math 10 this following semester. And I want to give a little short just video introductory of me and the class, the Canvas course, which you can see here, and then also the syllabus, because I will not be going over this in class on our first day. We're going to just jump right in and learn about each other and some Roman numerals, positional, and additive number systems, and a lot of cool stuff. So looking at the Canvas course page, this is going to be kind of our base, foundation. I'm going to post everything we need for the class will be on Canvas, so make sure to bookmark this. And also make sure when you sign up for Canvas that you go to your settings and make sure you can receive messages from instructors. So that'd be in the settings section. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about or confused, please talk to me or somebody else on campus about setting that up. But you can talk to me. I can probably help you before or after class during the first week, just to make sure you get messages from me, because after the first week, I'm going to be sending messages through Canvas. And it should go directly to your email or your text or whatever you want, because I know you get to set it up yourself. Okay, so the first thing I want to look at is the syllabus. Right here, I'm on the home screen. I'm going to keep this as our modules for the home screen. You've got the textbook right here. This is a free textbook, so you do not need to purchase it. But if you do want a physical copy, I think it's like $13.50 or so with shipping. But do not feel obligated to buy a physical copy. You do not need to. There is a short syllabus quiz, just to make sure you go over the syllabus, look at some main points. Hopefully that'll be an easy quiz for you, but that's due the second week of the semester, or our second class period. I'm going to click on the syllabus tab right here just to kind of highlight, I think, the important parts of the syllabus. Make this extra big. Alrighty. Notice this class is a hybrid. It's the first time we're doing a hybrid Math 10 at Center Rosa Junior College. So we're just going to meet once a week. They'll be posting a lot of videos and discussion forums and other such for you to do work outside of class besides your regular homework. But we're going to meet on Tuesdays, 1:30 to 3. Email is by far the best way to get a hold of me, or Canvas message. Canvas message or email. I do have a phone in my office. It rings. It has a cord. It kind of confuses me. I put my phone on there, but I would suggest you email or message me. All right, here's all my office hours, kind of strange hours, but if you ask me in the future, what are your office hours? I'm going to say go to syllabus. It is right here. There's my office hours. I am in Shuha 1706. Notice I do have a couple late evening office hours in a different classroom. All right, so kind of looking at the main points. Again, here's another link for the textbook. 3 midterm exams. I'm going to try to stay as close as possible to the schedule. If I do change an exam date, I'll let you know at least a week or 2 ahead of time. But if you know you're going to be gone any point throughout the semester, of course, I always encourage you to not miss class or talk to me if you do. But these 3 dates, September 18th, October 30th, December 11th, if you're going to be gone for a legitimate reason, athletics, music, school event, something like that, let me know now, and we could make arrangements. If you come talk to me on September 17th, say I'm going on vacation tomorrow, I'm going to say it's too bad. So September 18th is our first test. Homework, there's going to be a lot of homework in this class, because that's how you learn, is by doing mathematics. It will be almost all online, but there'll be a couple assignments you're going to turn in, but it's going to mostly be done online. There's going to be some group assignments done throughout the semester. Extra credit, if you ask, definitely not. For getting help, make sure to utilize your help resources. A lot of help on campus, tutorial center on the first floor of the math department, at the first floor of the library there's a tutoring center, and in the Mesa Center, 3rd floor at Bertolini. These are all free tutoring resources, and they should be able to help with most of our topics. But please be patient, especially with student tutors. We're going to be learning some kind of strange topics that you, in this class, that you did not see in a previous math class. we are not going to be factoring polynomials. Yeah. All right, so for your grading breakdown, we're going to have 3 midterm exams and then 1 final. The final is cumulative, but I'm only going to count it the same. So they're all going to be worth the same and totaling 3/4 of your grade. Homework's 15%, letter grade and a half, and that group work, is 10% of your grade. All right, important dates are listed right here. Last day to drop without receiving a W. Our final exam is going to be on Thursday, December 20th. And then you have all these student objectives and such we're going to cover this semester. Go back to the home screen. Just to give you a quick preview what stuff is going to be like, we're going to start off on Tuesday, first day of class, talking about historical counting systems, and then we'll move on to Mayan calendars. For each module, I'm going to make a class and video schedule. So if you do have to miss class or you want to see what's coming up in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to post what we'll be doing in class and anything we do in class, worksheets, lecture slides, I will post on here, if not before class, right afterwards. And then I kind of imagine this as a Tuesday, Thursday class. So I'm going to post stuff. You can go over videos, go over stuff anytime before. But I'm going to have due dates for Thursdays, so for video lessons and small group discussion. And I'm going to click on one of these just to kind of show you what this looks like. All right, a couple things to note here. Here's the due date. Most due dates will be at midnight or before midnight. No time limit and unlimited attempts. But I do want to note, if you haven't done Canvas quizzes, if you redo the quiz, you have to redo the entire assignment. It's kind of annoying. I wish we could redo question by question. But since you have to redo the entire assignment, say there's 16 questions, you get 8 of them correct, write the answers down. So write down questions 1 through 16, write down the answers. I think that'll help you learn also. Then you don't have to think about those questions again. Just kind of try on the other questions you may not have gotten. And for these video lessons, the questions come from the videos I post right here. And a lot of the questions I even know, what video to look at. So what I'd suggest is maybe opening these up on a different tab. Click on Take the Quiz. And keep the video open as you see the questions. So all these questions come from these videos. And I think that's all I'll say on the videos. Don't forget on all those quizzes, or not quizzes, video lessons, you do get unlimited attempts until the due date. All right, and then we also have, and notice I posted the video lessons in more than one spot. They're in the class video schedule, or I just put them in the module right here. So after you've watched the videos for that day, there's 2 lessons for the first week of class. Then there's going to be usually, maybe not every week, but a small group discussion. So what I'm going to randomly put you in small groups. Actually, Canvas is going to put you in small groups. And I'm going to have you, after you watch all the videos from those 2 assignments, in this one, introduce yourself by including your favorite book and the last movie you've watched. And I want you to answer at least one of these questions. It could be, what was the most confusing part about the lesson, the videos? If you're still confused, what would you like more clarification on? What was the most interesting part? What surprised you? Is there an interesting factoid, an anecdote, a story, something related to the lesson that you'd like to share? It could be one or more of these. And I want you to respond to at least one of your group members' posts with a comment. So comment on their post. It could be about the lesson, the mathematics, or you could just discuss their favorite book or latest movie. So to get full credit on this, post a discussion post and also respond. And that's going to be due also on Thursday night. So watching the videos, answering those little quizzes, and doing the discussion will all be due the same day. And generally these will be due on Thursday. All right, so this introduction video is long enough, so I think that's going to be it. I look forward to meeting all of you on Tuesday.